I'm Imelda Bautista Schweikart, 20 years old, from Puerto Princesa City, Palawan. My experience was very therapeutic. I love the therapist's touch. I felt like I was, even though it was fast, I felt like I was healed in a second, in a jiffy.
So how often do you get into a spa or relaxing time like this?
When I have time and I have, yeah, when I have time. Sasabihin ko sana when I have money.
So you're representing Puerto Princesa.
I'm Miss Puerto Princesa 2016.
Okay, can you tell something about your place, about Puerto Princesa?
Puerto Princesa consists of billions of species. Napakaganda po ng lugar dahil mayroong unclassified species sa Palawan. And masyashock ka talaga sa beaches. 5 minutes from the city, from Puerto Princesa City, you're at the beach. It's white sand, it's clean, there are starfishes, everything is there. And of course, our fishes are very fresh. It's really beautiful. That's all I can say.
How's the experience of joining Miss Earth?
I feel like a princess and hopefully soon to be queen.
Is this your first time to join a pageant or?
No. I have experiences in pageantry.
So what's your advocacy now? You joined the Miss Earth.
Miss Philippines Earth. My advocacy is about soil protection from genetically modified seeds and chemically engineered seeds. At the same time, I want to push for organic farming, and my main goal is for soil protection and to stop infrastructures, because especially in my area in Puerto Princesa, I really don't believe in infrastructures. It's destroying our species and natural resources. Kumbaga magtatayo tayo ng infrastructures, diba? Nasisira yung natural, mapopollute, everything is not good. I don't really like it.
So how do you balance like progress against nature?
How do I balance progress with nature? Research. I'm a researcher, so I keep my mind intact with details about the plans for our province, especially for our nature, environment, the pollution. I'm so devastated. I cannot get it all together right now, and unprepared. But wait, the progress? What do you mean, sir?
Siyempre, di ba, yung, like, if we will think too much of nature, then baka naman mawala ng livelihood or modernization ng isang lugar. So how do you balance it? Like modernization, urbanization versus preserving nature?
I think it's about time to stop urbanization kasi we have made a Manila city already. The city is basically in Manila, and we should stop from there because our province areas are beautiful and tropical only in the Philippines talaga, and our duty on earth is to stop those stuff, urbanization, because once there's urbanization na and we keep on continuing pa din, and we're not preserving anything, diba? Our speech is nothing compared to our action. So we really have to stop urbanization. It's about time to stop it. Everything is here in Manila. Let's just take care of the pollution here in Manila. Yun na lang talaga.
Your fans and some people will be rooting for you. So how can you invite them, and how can they follow you? Do you have a social media accounts? Can you share it with us?
Yes, follow me on Imelda Bautista Schweikart in Facebook. I'm posting about my advocacies, about my concerns, environmental issues. So if you're really into that, follow me. And I post some of my music as well because I compose my own music. Yes.
About your Twitter and Instagram?
I don't have Twitter and Instagram. I only have Facebook.
You answer those in your Facebook personally?
And on Facebook, yes, I answer messages, especially if it makes sense.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.